We are here today to identify with the family. Tremendous, incredible loss, 13-year-old girl. To show that our connection to the Temple Mount is forever. And there's no violence that can deter us. It's the violent people that have to be stopped. It's the violent Muslims that have to be stopped because they're wreaking havoc in the entire world. And also here, our rights to the Temple Mount are forever. We're not trying to displace anyone, but we will not be displaced either. This is our holiest place, and we are determined to come here and to pray and eventually rebuild our temple. Not like the Muslims who say it's our place only and nobody else can come in. We say it's a house of prayer for the entire world. Any peace-loving person is welcome to come here, not just Jews. But we are determined to reconnect here and be allowed to go in and pray.